Huh? Huh?
Antra Gogan! What? What the? The portal. How the hell is come from here? I gotta stop this bastard right now. Antra Gogan! Whoa! Hey you! Get back the way that you came from. You know that you're watching like the cartoon, you know? Sukabli! I don't know what the hell did you just say, but don't give a goddamn. Yeah. How about you shut your goddamn mouth? Oh! Oh god, what the hell? Oh yeah! Oh, what the hell you doing? I'm finally free now and going to see Gogan for autograph. But first, hold on, open the door. Sukabli! You damn dirty, eh? Oh god.
Mamma mia. Eh? Eh? Red, are you okay?
Dude, it's over.
Jack? Yeah?
It's over, dude.
For what?
It's over, man. The future's going to be destroyed and ruined with more goddamn reasons.
It's about her back then. I already done it. And I have the coolest. I have 9 on the test, you son of a bastard.
No, about that. About the Gogan's fan. He's gonna shoot me.
What?
No, that mean with a gun. No, I don't. Shut up, I'm going to do. I got no choice. Doctor, no choice. We can't leave that son of a bastard. Fred. I do it. No, do it. No. Oh, yeah, book. Ooh. Oh, that's more like, well, who the hell are you?
My name is the who that take care of brains and
Portugali? I mean purgatory. Oh, why not say so? Dude, your friend, the Gogan's fan. I knew that son of a bastard is going to mess up. I knew that Gogan is going to ruin it again one more time. I swear to God. Yeah, I know, that's more ridiculous right now. Silent!
in effect. Yeah, excuse me, I'm gonna watch in the cartoons.
You have fun to try about that. Oh God! What an autograph! Ah! Yeah! Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! Oh! What the hell he's done now? He's going to kill everyone if you're not going to meet under the gun. You're gonna come with me. Sure, but...
Is that a phone? What is gonna be a problem?
I can't take a joke. You must come. No. Yo. What? Disgusting. What the hell, man? You book. Oh. Oh my God, that was goddamn fast.
Fred, you should take a look.
What's wrong? What the hell? He's stuck with me.
He's stuck Matilda.
Yeah, and the bomb. Oh God, we gotta save them.
Andra Gogan. Famous for Gogan, he the printer prize.
You know what's disgusting? I was wake up in the ice cream. I was wake up in the go. What's hand? Mom, you don't care about your ice cream? You need to get the hell out of here. What the hell do I need them? I gotta spend no time about all the cartoons. What the? About the cover of your gun, the cars. Hey, red guy, come here, I go. Tell me how we saved them. It's a flying cow. Jack, no time for your retarded puns. Now look. What the hell? Dang, you son of a bastard! Whoa! Oh! Bell! Damn! Jesus Christ, what's the friend done? There's no excuse for fans, Andrew. Yeah. Oh no! Oh! Whoa! No! We didn't pass it. Oops! Mom! What the hell did you? Ah! Mom, stop! Send everyone in hell. No, me not going to help. No, Mom! Oh! God dang it! Get found on my mission. You know that's his worst. We did it, goddamn bird. But we'll see next time. Next time, Andrew Gogan will win and all that you do. And get the respect for. Now, excuse me, let's sing. Stricazzo Generati. Well, that's a stricazzo Generati.